It's nice. Scrumptious means nice.
Okay, ọtọrọ
Ọtọ.
In one word, describe the egusi soup.
Ọdị
In one word, describe the egusi soup.
Auditor.
In one word, describe the egusi soup.
I didn't eat it.
Delicious. You didn't eat it. Mwam. Hey, what made you? Okay, later you will eat it. Okay, they will bring it and I will give you myself, okay? In one word, describe the egusi soup.
Sweet.
Sweet. In one word, sweet is auditor.
Auditor.
In one word, describe the egusi soup.
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 Audima.
It is Ukoro no Wunaka. You want to say something now? In one word, describe the egusi soup.
Yummy. Yummy.
Yummy. Say ọtọrọ. Abi. Okay. Onye ọbụla kwụrụ ọtọ. Stand up is kwụrụ ọtọ. Nọrọdụ is sit down. Don't put your chair because we want to do some workout. Kwụrụ ọtọ. Nọrọdụ. Nọrọdụ means sit down. Kwụrụ ọtọ. Nọrọdụ. Kwụrụ ọtọ. Nọrọdụ. Kọrọ n'onwe n'aka. Okay. I don't want to. How many of us know where we are from? You know where you are from. You know your village. Your village. Okay. Okay. Kambiakwa. Onitsha. Hey! Koronu yaka. Okwa. Kebis.
Anambra.
Kebe, your village. Village. You know Onitsha is big, but village, unless your village is Onitsha, gong. Your village. Your village. Your village.
Nnewi.
Ebe na Nnewi.
In Anambra State.
Ebo Nnewi, which village in Nnewi?
Akokwa.
Where in Akokwa? I want to know your village. Your village.
Obosi.
Nibo.
Neni.
I don't know. No.
Nnewi. Ebe ka isi.
Omo.
Kebo mono. All right, DJ, you will be giving us, when my children are answering questions, please be, please. Okay, so today, we are going to do self-introduction. Now, get your booklet, your camp booklet, quickly. But I want to ask, do you know where your mommy is from? Not your dad, you. Your mommy. Your mommy.
Newi.
Take your booklet first.
Atlanta.
Okay.
Amish.
Today we are going to talk about where we are from and where mommy is from. When you go home, for those of you going home, you're going to make a video introducing yourself. Get your booklet. Go to the page where we have self-introduction. Hey, don't take any new one. Where's the booklet? Miss Abigail, Miss Moge, because I need your assistance here professionally. Come and guide the children. Where's your booklet? It's upstairs. You left it in the room? Baby, are you feeling too cold here? This place is too cold for you.
This place is too cold.
It's too cold. Uncle Chuka, Biko, Bianubia. It's too cold. So maybe let them shift a bit backward. If this place is too cold, Chips, go on neighbor. Miss Moge, coordinate, please. Now everybody, Norodu, Onyobla, sit down. Take off this bag on the table. Where put my neighbor? Where put my neighbor? Hosi so self-introduction. Nkowa onwem. Onyobla, nkowa onwem. Nobody is saying it. Onyobla say means everybody say. Nkowa onwem. Kwoya. Nkowa onwem. Self-introduction. Are we ready? Where is your notebook? Yes, your notebook. You need your workbook now and your notebook. Nkowa onwem, Miss Moge. Miss Moge, ụmụaka si na ha hapụrụ akwụkwọ ha n'elu. Biko eje na zie onye ọzọ ka o jee wete. I need you here. Miss Moge is going to pack every notebook upstairs, downstairs right now. So please, Norodu. Okay, follow her. Is it your own? Is it your own? What do I see there? Beautiful. Yes, write this in the notebook. Nkowa onwem. Onye ọbụla si nkowa onwem. You people don't want to answer me. You are all writing. Nkowa onwem. Say it. You're not saying what you're meant to say. If you're from Nkowa onwem, kwoya. No, kwoya means say it. Onye ọbụla kwuo nkowa onwem. If you don't say it, then you're not going to learn it. That's it. You have to be able to say it for you to be able to learn it. Say nkowa onwem. Self-introduction. Now get your booklet. How many of you have got your notebook? Okay, if you don't have your notebook, Nanya, Miss Moge, what's the one? And I don't want that. Just in a notebook and the booklet now. Yeah, notebook and booklet. So this is cover when we can find it here now. It's already written down here. Okay. It's already written down here. Looking through, you'll find it there. Let me get the page.
After numbers. It's after
Look
numbers.
at it. Look at it. Nkowa onwem. You can even use your booklet to answer the questions. The first one says,
Ahambo.
Ahambo. The place where you have Ahambo, put your name there. Let's use the booklet. Use your booklet. Don't use your notebook. Okay, Chiefs, where you can. Write it there. Ahambo. Write it in your booklet. Use this one. Yes, now, so that you can even start knowing your own. Chiefs, okay, put the Bible.
In our handbook.
Use it in your handbook. Your handbook. Go towards the end of the booklet. Towards the end. After the numbers, you keep going. After the numbers, after you see these numbers, this is where we are. Are you there? Miss Moge, ige nyelonye obere nke aka ka ọ dị nke. Ahambo. You. Good job. Now everybody, we are going to say it together. When I say ahambo, all of you will say aha. And when I say otu, abo, ato, you say ahambo and you call your full name. Are you ready? Otu, abo, ato. You will now call your name now. Say it confidently. Join in. Tinyonu, kwoku. When you say ahambo, Adora, you say your name. Ahambo, and you call your name. Are you ready? Mba, kedin kenyanwa. Opura akwụkwọ nke aka iji eme. Nke aka iji eme. Nekwe nke iji eme. Chips chere no, chips chere. Be patient. Oh. Chips is already filling everything up. All my students, all my. Are we ready now? 1, 2, otu, abo, ato. Yes, Tobenna Okommadu, Chibuikem Okoli. Everybody put your name there.
Yes, that you add your surname.
Yes. You have to put your last name, your surname. The number 2 one now says, Abumonye Igbo. Everybody say, Abumonye Igbo. You know what that means? I am Igbo. It means you are from the Igbo tribe. Are you writing it down? Let's be fast with this so we can go out and do the hunt game. Miss Blessing, after now we are going for the hunt game. We are hunting. We are hunting. You hunt and count. After this self-introduction, did we do numbers today? Yes, we're going to hunt. We're going to hunt, search for, we're going to hide candies around. When you find the candies, you're going to count them in Igbo. The number you can count is the number you get. If you found 100 and you are able to count only 2, you just take only 2. But if you find 20 and you are able to count the whole 20, you're going to own the whole 20. So let's get done with this and get ready for this game. How many of you are ready to count? Okay, let's go now. After this class, by tomorrow, we are not taking general classes again. We are going to split the classes. So this is probably the only general class we'll be taking together. Are we ready? Yes. So let's do the self-introduction, after which from tomorrow we now go to our separate classes. So the third one says, Abum Onye. Onye. Now you're going to write Neni. Write Obosi. Abum Onye Obosi. Abum Onye Neni. It's not your local government or your village where you're from. Write it. If you need any spelling, tell me to spell. I'll spell for you. Akokwa. Akokwa. Write Abumonye Akokwa. It's your village. I'm coming now. If you don't know anyone, you keep it. When you go home, you ask your mommy. Neni. Don't say how do you spell. Say because superem neni. Say it. Superem means spell. Because superem neni. Neni. Ne. Go on also chokan super also. Yeah. So you know, if you are living in Lekki, you are in a Tiosa local government. So your village has your local government has a number of villages under it. So if you don't know your local government, it's okay. When you go home, you ask your parents. So have you written your village? N'okpuru ọchịchị. N'okpuru ọchịchị. Do you know your local government? No. Leave it. When you go home, you feel it. When you go home, you feel it. Inaloidenya. That's your assignment number 1. N'ime dash state. What state is the N'ime? If you don't know anyone, mommy should feel it for you. Okay. N'obodo Nigeria. Okay. So everybody that has filled the form, can we go starting from Ahambo? Wait. Ahambo, want to go? You're reading through now. Are we ready? Are we ready? Want to go? Ahambo. Abụ m onye Igbo. Abụ m onye n'okpuru ọchịchị. You have to write it that or not. Good. Have you written it that or not? Nazar got his own that or not, and he's correct. Have you written it that or not? Let me spell it that. No, Idato is in Imo. Ide-ato. Put a dot under the O. Ide-ato. Eh? It's not for everybody. It's only for Chuchu and Naza and Chiefs. Ide-ato. Okay. Ikunembu, where is your mommy from? Your mommy's village. No, I know Enugu. Yes, we are in Enugu. Umunumu, ngwa right umunumu. Ngwa, that's what Newi. Umunumu. Umunumu. This is for the person whose mommy. Don't write it. This one is for Chuchu, Naza, and the Chiefs. So, Amici. Don't tell me can you spell sim because superem. Nekwa amici eba. Amici. Konyo zana supere. Newi. Umunumu no na mba no now. Neni. Newi. Okay. N'okpuru ọchịchị. What's your mommy's village local government? That is why you are here. It's your assignment. And if you want to say I don't know, say Amayim. Amayim. Maybe in your village you say Amarom is correct. In your village you say Amam is correct. But Igbo Uzube, the central Igbo is Amayim. Okay, and then the next one is N'obodo Nigeria. And then the next one is your gender. Abum nwa nwoke is for male. Abum nwa nwanyi is for female. Ngwa, put down your gender. Abum nwa nwoke is for a male. Nwa nwanyi. Female, so pick one. And then the last one says Adim Afo. If you want me to spell your age, you can superegi Afo Neidi. It's in because superem 19. Because superem. Have you written it down? So who is ready to don't just write it after the bracket of age. Okay, so now we are going to introduce us. Who wants to introduce himself or herself? Beautiful. So if you don't know the local government, please don't feel bad. When you get home, you ask your parents, okay?
Ahambu Somtochukwu Obidike. Abum Onye Igbo. Abum Onye Nibo.
Onye Igbo. That word is called, everybody say Igbo. 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 Abum Onye Igbo. Ngwa. Go on, baby.
I don't know how to say this.
N'okpuru ọchịchị, leave that one. Go to n'ime Anambra.
Nim
Abum Onye
Abum
Igbo.
Onye Nibo. Nime Anambra. Anambra State. Ukunem Amici.
Someone is talking now.
Name Anambra. Nime Anambra State. Abu Nwani.
Abum nwa nwaanyị.
Abu Nwani.
Nwa nwaanyị.
Nwawani. Adi afọ iri na otu. Otu.
Can we clap for my baby girl? Give it back. Go on to some to Aka. That was awesome. Excellent. Beautiful. Okay? Who wants to introduce himself again? All right.
Aham bụ Nsochi Emodi. Abụ m onye Igbo. Abụ m onye Obosi. N'ime Anambra State.
You don't know that told me Amici. Okay, you don't know where mom is from. Okay, ask her.
Abụ m nwaanyị. Adị m afọ iri na otu.
Right to read now. Say, listen to my baby girl. Koyozo.
Mamiri akpa.
Kwano my baby aka. Awesome. Mamiri na pam. Say it that way.
Mamiri akpa.
Na pam.
Na akpa.
Mamiri na pam.
Mamiri na akpa.
Ngwa, ganyo. Ganyo means go pee. Okay, who wants to? This is not a joke. We are learning how to introduce ourselves. Is it not wonderful? This is just the beginning of the camp. We just started the classes now. Now.
Aham bụ Tobena Ukomadu.
Can you hear him? Can you see him? Ngwa.
Aham bụ Tobena Ukomadu. Abụ m onye Igbo. Abụ m onye Neni. N'ime Anambra State. N'obodo Nigeria. Ikwu nem bụ Nnewi. N'ime Anambra State. N'obodo Nigeria. N'obodo Nigeria. Abụ nwa nwoke. Adị m afọ 8.
Adị m afọ 7.
Asa. 7 is asa. Koronu somto chukwu aka o. Koronu somto chukwu aka. Awesome. Anyone you did not know, like if you're not sure your state, is fine. Go home, do it, come back. That's the first thing we are doing tomorrow.
Aham bụ Angelina Brown Ifunanya Chukwuka. Abum onye Igbo. Abum onye Onitsha. Onkoporo N'ime Anambra State. N'obodo Nigeria. Abum nwa nwanyị. Adị afọ iri.
Koronu ya aka. Hey! Mommy, Ngo, you want to go? Boy. Akwa gwara nge. Sinu mommy ndewo. No. Anyị na-ekele gị o. Korona unu aka. Beautiful. Who else wants to introduce himself or herself? Okay, Chuchu. Mami na akpa gị ganyo mami.
Aha m bụ Chukwuebuka Okoli. Abụ m onye Igbo. Abụ m onye Akọkwa. N'okpuru ọchịchị Ide Atọ North. N'ime Imo steeti n'obodo Nigeria. Ikwu nne m bụ ụmụnụmụ n'ime Imo steeti. Abụ m n'obodo Nigeria.
Here, look, we just did preamble today. From tomorrow, the real deal starts. How many of you are ready to speak Igbo very well? You are ready to read in Igbo language. You are ready. From tomorrow, please, you have to come early tomorrow. Come on with your what do they call that thing for sports? PE wear. Your what? Your track and suits, or what do you call it? Bring your PE wear, all the man. Tomorrow, when you come, you will meet us. Just tell mommy, please, I don't want to miss this fun tomorrow. Try to come early so you join us at the workout. Today we did the workout where? At the gym. Tomorrow we might not go to the gym. We may change location. We may go elsewhere. So, but make sure you are here in time. All right? Now, when you get home, show your parents this self-introduction. Anyone you are not sure of, tell your daddy or your mommy to help you write it down. Okay? See how now we want to play games. We want to play games. Ngo, your mommy is here to pick you, baby. But we're starting with Katonye Torogimbo game. Oh, permanent marker kamu ya neme. Whether no miri misti moge biko. Yana no marker. Okay. Gwara kwa. Ngwa omiri ka ya tanye. Ndi mo spirit when. We want teachers to come here. Actually make Katonye Torogimbo. We are going to start with Okezie. Say it, let them be learning how to say it.
Biko mamiri na akpam.
Biko mamiri na akpam ganyo. Ngwa. Wepu nu nke permanent ebe a. Dalo. Biko Miss Blessing, has she finished scattering our? We are ready to hunt. Let me check Miss Blessing. Hello? So now, hold on. You have to be nice. You have to be nice. You have to be nice. and obedient. You all said you have to be obedient. Now close your booklet, everybody. Put it in your files. Put your pen in your files. Don't put it inside. Put it in your file. It's okay, honey. I will make sure we get it tomorrow. Okay? Put it in your file. If you don't have a file, let me know. I will get it for you tomorrow. It's okay. I promise you tomorrow you get your file. I promise you tomorrow. Among why did you have put that file? We left it upstairs. Really? Yeah. Now we are going. You know how to. Hey, come. Don't do that. Come. Now listen to the rule of the game. Pack up your things because